how to get any player or sign any player using GPs on eFootball. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can actually get any players on eFootball, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The way this eFootball game works has changed over the many years. Previously, what we had to do was we had to wait until Konami actually added a new pack and then only sign the players from their pack like this using coins or GPs from the featured pack and so on. But on the recent eFootball 23, 24 version and so on, you don't need to do all this. You can actually sign a base card of every player, right? So they're going to be the base card, but at least they're going to have their own version. To buy any player from the list, you can go to the contract section. Go to this option called standard player list over here, as you can find it. Once you're here, you'll be able to see any player. If you want to filter them, you can tap the filter option. You can filter them by clubs, leagues, nationality, or so on. You can also apply a filter there. Once you've done that, you will be able to sign any player from the list by just selecting them, tapping the sign option here, and then by just confirming the purchase. And this way you'll be able to actually get any players on eFootball. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.